Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green chili pickle. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Begin by washing approximately 500 grams of fresh green chilies. It is crucial to ensure they are completely dry, so pat them thoroughly with a clean towel or let them air dry. Next, remove the stems from each chili and then chop them into uniform 1-inch pieces. This preparation is key for a perfect pickle. Now, let's create the aromatic spice blend that gives our pickle its distinctive flavor. In a dry pan, lightly roast about 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds for a minute until fragrant. Allow them to cool, then coarsely grind them. Mix this freshly ground spice with 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of salt. With our chilies and spices ready, it's time to bring them together. Place the chopped green chilies into a large bowl with the prepared spice mixture. Now, add about 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly, ensuring every chili piece is coated. Carefully transfer this vibrant mixture into a clean, dry glass jar, ready for the next step. For the final touch, we'll add oil to preserve our pickle. Heat 1 cup of mustard oil in a pan until it reaches its smoking point, then turn off the heat and let it cool until it's just warm. Carefully pour this warm oil over the pickle in the jar, making sure the chilies are fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and allow the pickle to mature for 3 to 5 days at room temperature before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.